In this video, we'll discuss the difference between exploration and inference. As an example, suppose we explore the relationship between the number of bike share riders and wind speed using data on 50 different days. Thus far in this course, we've been answering exploratory questions about what's right in front of our face, that is, the data that we happen to have. For example, we might ask, did we observe a negative association between bike ridership and wind speed? Well, the answer is yes. Our model trend line here exhibits a downward-facing slope. It is what it is. Yet we're not going to switch gears in this course. In addition to exploratory questions about the data right in front of us, which are important, we'll also start asking inferential questions. That is, based on our data, what can we infer about the trends in the broader population? For example, do the patterns observed in our sample data here provide enough evidence to conclude that, in general, there's a negative association between bike ridership and wind speed? Or do we think that these patterns might just be a random manifestation particular to the 50 data points we happened to get? To answer inferential questions like these, we need to take into account the randomness, hence potential error, in the information from our sample. That is, we need to recognize that since the data we get is a mere random sample from some broader population, it can't provide a perfect picture of the broader population. That idea is captured by the gray error bars plotted or shown here around the observed trend line. We won't yet interpret these error bars. Rather, we first need to build up two necessary tools for constructing and interpreting this type of inference: the normal probability model and sampling distributions.